Tom, how long have you been a member?
We've been a member for about 4.5 years, and enjoyed every bit of it. We're in about 20 deals right now.
How many?
We're in 20 deals.
So for those of you out there, how many people are in a deal? How many people are in multiple deals? How about 20 deals? Oh, yeah. How about those of you that are out there looking for your first deal? It can be done, and we're going to talk about that today. Tom, talk about some of your portfolio. Can you tell us about that?
Well, I think we have around 3,800 units, and the average cash on cash is around 9%, and that's the main reason why I got into the passive deals with lifestyles, is because the cash on cash return. I've invested in a lot of crazy deals in the past outside of real estate, and I lost a ton of money because I banked on appreciation and wasn't focused on the cash on cash and what Dell says, don't lose money. And so that's my whole goal with these passive deals, is to generate passive income. So eventually I can downsize. If you've read in the book there, we're in the restaurant business, and we own some single family houses. And the goal is to downsize the restaurant side and the single family side and increase our cash flow / equity on the multifamily side. And I'm going to get into this hopefully in a little bit, that lifestyles, in my opinion, is the #1 spot to invest in apartments. So I'll go over that later.
Yeah, great. So, Tom, you're in a high turnover business. Your employees are turning over. You got to turntables, profit margins, food waste. What type of effort do you make as a passive investor?
Well, passive investing is a whole lot better than the restaurant business. Because honestly, you just have to connect with every lead here that I've experienced, and we're in 20 deals. Every lead is just a phenomenal person. They're smart business people, and I'm just so impressed with them. And the structure that Lifestyles has to help the lead investor and the passive investor both make a great return is just a fantastic system. So I think we're all in the right spot. We're all in the right spot right here. There's some deals that come through where the return isn't that great, and so no matter how good the lead is, I'm not going to invest in it. So it's really, the bottom line is, there's so many different types of deals out there, is that there's something that's going to meet our goals. And so that's the bottom line, I think.